You see, this, I'm coming my mic up right close to my mouth, and I'm talking right loud. So now what? Today we're gonna be doing, today, she's playing a wall to box. What we're gonna do? Today we're gonna be playing Zombie Attack. Yeah, Zombie Attack. By the way, so in one of my videos, I showed that, one of my videos, I did clickbait videos. Sorry about that. But yeah. I'll show you how I do it. So basically, I go to Google Chrome, I hit here, inspect element. You probably guys noticed if you watch it so far. I kind of any YouTuber, I suppose, in them, and you just type in whatever. So I want to have like 100 million, 100. Sorry for my mouse. It's going crazy right now. So one capital N plus. There we go. And then you have yourself a 100 million Robux. But if you go off a page, so let's refresh the page. Gone. Robux gone. Yep, it's gone. So yeah, let's go. Let's play this game. Okay, I just joined this game. There's so many people here. Well, there's so many people here. Oh, by the way, I've been playing this game for a long time, and now I'm level 238. Oh, 238, yeah. And if you see this, my friend RoGang and the Cool Jack B, guys, I made an official group on YouTube. It's called The Gang. So soon we'll be making our own channel playing Roblox together. So if you don't know, I have this friend. He's called RoGang. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, but today it's the official release day of The Gang on YouTube. So the people, if you want to be a co-member, if you want to be a co-member, you're kind of, if you like The Gang, if you want to support The Gang, now, I'm not gonna have a Patreon or something to just donate money, guys, because I know guys who don't like me, and I know you're not gonna even donate a single penny. You're gonna donate $0, even on my streams or something. Basically, it's the official release date. Today I will be updating a game. It's called RoGang. So if you want to play it, it's on my account right now. It's active, but when the game is shut down or inactive, or you can't see it on my profile, that means a new update's coming out. Or I'm just gonna put something in it. So one of my friends, so the Cool Jack B and the RoGang are my friends, and they have Robux, and they play a lot of Roblox. He's not technically online right now, but if you want to follow him on Roblox, make sure to follow them. And by the way, make sure to follow me on Twitter. I'm just go to my Twitter right now. But guys, this is my profile. Do not judge this. It's a Hilton Hotel thing, and my name is X Diarrhea because my content is bad. And I had to leave out the game, so if you don't know, I joined, but no, you're not supposed to see that. And there's here I linked up my account. Now I do have this face, my Christmas avatar, which I should change, which I'm gonna change right now. Okay, I just changed my photo. Okay, let me X out my. Yeah. By the way, so I'm gonna be going with you guys. So, guys, there's gonna be a competition. I'm gonna make a competition of you guys. So what you're gonna do, guys, is if you want to enter this competition to actually like be in my game called RoGang, I'll show you it right now. So I'll show you right now when I'm on the page. Here's the game. RoGang is active right now. When the server shut down, it's a new update. And if you want to be in my RoGang You game, all you gotta do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below your Roblox username, and I'll friend you. And you can be friends with me, or you can decide what you want. You can decide do you want to be my game? Oh, you can decide do you want to be my friend, or do you want to be in the game? Because I'm gonna be adding a lot of people. So the first 5 people, I'm gonna pick 5 people. Comment down below your Roblox username, and then I will add you as a friend. But if you're already my friend, I'll just put you in the game. But now it's gonna be a new update. So yeah, let's just try out the game right now. I spent about 2 hours trying to make this game. 1 hour. I actually don't know. Okay, I am the game creator. So this is the game. It's pretty bad in my place, but you have these outfits. There's 2 for boys and 2 for girls. There's the avatar there where it's just, this is me. I just kind of put these avatars. What I did is I took NPCs of like people, NPCs, and I made them, and I put them in the game. And by the way, why does it say tap here to chat? I'm not on the phone. Nick said, Luca, after you make yourself look rich, or look rich, because you can only pick outfits, but these actually work. So I'll show you guys. So I want this. Okay, are you mad? You mad, bro? Let's jump on it. There we go. We have it. It's not gonna show us, but we do have it. And then we can have here. There's Liam, who is my friend. This is not his NPC. I just put it, and it says Liam. Welcome to RoGang. And then there's Jack, the cool Jack B. And there's these cars, but when I go near these, they just kind of make my game laggy or something. Because they have like so much models. But now, it's just not. It's not lagging anymore. If this car used to actually lag my game in this. Yeah. Jack, this is where you buy. This is where the cars are. And you could drive them. Cool. So basically, you can just get cars. Yeah, there's this thing, and this shop over there, does not actually work. I just put it for decoration there, but I'll put you guys. This actually does more works. So let's just wait, and yep, let's just wait. I didn't even put you guys. Look, it's transforming. My face is square. Oh. No, we can't. Okay. Oh. There we go. We're here and we look kind of rich. But Dino's kind of like eating our diamonds or something. Dino, I don't need my diamonds. Oh yeah, that's Dino. My Dino squad. The Dino squad is not going to be out. But if you want guys a Dino squad or something, there's a villager here. I just kind of move this house there. No, nothing's there. How did they even pull fire? There's this stuff. Yeah, this place is not that good, but I will just upgrade the game. So if you want this game to be out, I'll probably, if you guys follow me, or something, I don't know, if you play my games, you probably know. But no, guys, if you want to have a faceless head, you can just transform into this. And now what you do, see, now you can just put on, are you mad bro shirt? No, are you mad bro shirt? Are you mad bro shirt? Come on, it's not working. This shirt, okay, it's working. So look, I have no face. Is this? Yeah, sorry about that voice, but yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I will end it off with me flying, flying me, no, flying me. I'm gonna end it off with me killing myself. So we're gonna do it again. Oh, by the way, you can sprint in this game, which is cool. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. I can't move my cursor, but yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, please still leave a like. But if you joined it, please leave a like. Or if you want to be in my game, you have to leave a like and subscribe for more daily content or more weekly content like that. And I'll see you guys next video, or probably whenever I want to. Goodbye, viewers of Cruel World.